Look up at the night sky. Those tiny twinkling dots. They're not just stars. They're clues to the biggest mystery of all. Just how big is the universe? Thousands of years ago, humans thought the sky was a ceiling with stars painted on it. It felt huge, but still close enough to touch. Then science gave us telescopes. First stop, the moon, just 384,000 kilometers away. If you drove a car there at highway speed, it would still take over 5 months. The planets in our solar system already make Earth feel tiny. Mars, our neighbor, is about 225 million kilometers away. That's like walking around Earth, 5.5 million times. And then there's the sun. You could fit about 1 million Earths inside it. And our sun? It's just one star out of hundreds of billions in our galaxy. Our galaxy, the Milky Way, is so big it would take light, traveling at 300,000 kilometers per second, about 100,000 years to cross it from one end to the other. And the Milky Way isn't alone. Our neighbor, the Andromeda Galaxy, is racing toward us right now. Don't worry, the crash won't happen for another 4 billion years. But here's the real kicker. Galaxies don't just float around randomly. They gather into groups called clusters, and clusters link up into giant filaments, like a cosmic spiderweb stretching across space. So how big is the observable universe? About 93 billion light-years across. That means the farthest light we can see has been traveling for nearly the age of the universe itself, 13.8 billion years. And beyond that, we don't know. The universe might be infinite. What we see could just be a tiny bubble in an endless ocean of space. So, how big is the universe? Bigger than we can measure, bigger than we can imagine. And the more we learn, the bigger it seems to get. Now, you know how big the universe is. Explained like you're 5. Subscribe for more answers to life's biggest mysteries.